How to run an estate agency business. Free course overview. Thinking of starting a real estate business? Want to run your own estate agency but don't know where to begin? This free online course will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Job role and responsibilities. You learn what estate agents actually do, from listing properties to negotiating deals and working directly with buyers, sellers, and renters. Career path and skills. Understand the qualifications, travel requirements, and skills needed to become a successful real estate agent or broker, even if you're starting from scratch. Listing, valuation, and selling. Discover how to find sellers, get listings, and price properties using professional valuation techniques, a must-know for making profitable deals. Modern tech tools to be ahead. Explore how estate agents use today's technology to attract more clients, 360-degree viewing, automate listings, and stay ahead in this fast-moving industry. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your property business, this free course is packed with practical knowledge. Enroll for free online course now and take the first step towards building your estate agency empire. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to learn more.